Hello children, welcome to today's class. In the previous class we studied about electrovalent. I think you are remembering it. That is the bond formed by transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom is known as electrovalent bond. Today we will study the structure of some electrovalent compounds. Let us study the formation of sodium chloride molecule. Atom is 281. It has one electron in excess of the stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas neon. Therefore, an atom of sodium shows a tendency to give up the electron from its outermost shell so as to acquire a stable electronic configuration. Thus, when an atom of sodium combines with an atom of chlorine with electronic configuration 287, one electron is transferred from the sodium atom to the chlorine atom, resulting in the formation of a sodium chloride molecule. The diagram clearly shows the transfer of electron from sodium atom to chlorine atom. Sodium atom is no more electrically neutral. It has 11 protons in its nucleus but only 10 electrons revolving around it. Therefore, it has a net positive charge of +1. This positively charged ion is known as sodium ion and is written as Na+. That is, Na, sodium atom, gives up 1 electron. Minus 1 electron gives Na plus sodium ion. Chlorine is 287. The chlorine atom shows a tendency to acquire an electron to attain octet in its outermost shell. The equation can be given as Cl, that is chlorine atom with the electronic configuration 287 accepts 1 electron plus 1 electron gives Cl minus with the electronic configuration 288. An atom of chlorine is electrically neutral as it contains 17 protons in its nucleus and 17 electrons revolving around it. But after acquiring an electron from the sodium atom, the chlorine atom does not remain electrically neutral. It has 1 electron more than the number of protons in its nucleus and is therefore a negatively charged ion, chloride ion, Cl minus. Schematic representation of Na plus ion and Cl minus ion is shown here. Dot diagram for the formation of sodium ion and chloride ion. In this diagram, we represent only the valence electron. Sodium has one valence electron that is represented there and chlorine with 7 valence electron. Sodium gives its 1 electron to chlorine atom and changes to Na plus ion. Chlorine atom accepts that 1 electron and changes to Cl minus ion, that is chloride ion. This is known as the electron dot diagram, and here we represent only the valence electrons, and you know the valence electrons are only taking part in the chemical reaction. Na plus ion combines with Cl minus ion to form NaCl molecule. An electrovalent bond is formed between Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. Here The bond is formed between sodium and chlorine by the transfer of electrons. Sodium gives one electron and chlorine accepts that electron. This diagram shows the formation of calcium chloride molecule, CaCl2 molecule, which is an electrovalent compound. In the diagram you can see that calcium, which has 2 valence electrons, gives its 2 valence electrons to each chlorine atom and forms Ca2 plus ion. The 2 chlorine atoms gain 1 electron each and forms 2 Cl minus ions. Therefore, an electrovalent bond is formed between Ca2 plus ions and chloride ion. Therefore, it is an electrovalent compound. The formation of magnesium chloride molecule MgCl2 is shown here. Magnesium, the electronic configuration is 282. Chlorine, of course you know, it is 287. Magnesium has 2 valence electrons which is given to 2 chlorine atoms, and magnesium forms Mg2 plus ions with the configuration 28. Chlorine atom changes to chloride ion with the configuration 288. They forms an electrovalent bond between Mg2 plus ion and chloride ions, and hence we can say that magnesium chloride is an electrovalent compound. Assignment for you. Do it in your notebook and send the answers to me. The first question is, draw orbit structure and electron door diagrams of NaCl, MgCl2 and CaO. Second question is, write the differences between sodium atom and sodium ion. Let's wind up today's session. Thank you.